Hello guys, we are going to start the intermediate English grammar book. It was the second edition of the Cambridge University and it was provided by the Cambridge University Press. So in this chapter, this is the unit 1, okay, and unit 1. In this chapter we are going to learn present continuous tense. Okay, so you know that the structure of the present continuous tense: subject, okay, plus is, am, are, plus verb में ing, या you can say verb 4 and object. Okay, this is the structure of the present continuous tense. So how to think in English? In this chapter we are going to learn where do we use the present continuous tense. So here is written I am doing. Okay, it means मैं कर रहा हूँ. Okay, you have not think in like a Hindi रहा है रही है. Sometimes it is used as a future time. So we don't think in like a Hindi. First, we are going to study this example situation. Look, she is Anna. Okay, Anna is in her car. Anna है जो अपनी कार में है. It means right now she is in the car. Okay, and she is on her way to work. It means right now she is going to the work, and that's why she is driving to work. It means right now. Okay, abhi she is in the car and she is driving to work. She is driving and go to the work. So this means she is driving now at the time of speaking. So you can say present continuous tense means if you doing any action at the time of speaking, it means you have to make this sentence in present continuous tense. You have to follow this structure. Okay, you have to follow this structure. It means the action is not finished. It means action has been started and it is right now continue. Okay, and action hasn't been completed. अभी वो एक्शन स्टार्ट कर दिया गया है, कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, अभी ये एक्शन जो है चल रहा है. सो देर इज द शॉर्ट नेम लाइक आई एम. ओके, ही सी इट इज सी ही. ओके, वी you they and plus r you can write like that. Okay, so I am doing something. It means I'm in the middle of doing something. It means I have start doing it. Okay, I have already started. This means I have. Okay, I have start doing it, but I haven't finished it. It means right now I am doing it. Okay, so whatever you have started and recently and continuously you are doing it, but you haven't done it, so that time you can speak it in the present continuous tense. Often the action is happening at the time of speaking. Okay, often means अक्सर होता है, अक्सर ये जब बोला जाता है टाइम ऑफ द स्पीकिंग के समय ही हम यूज करते हैं. लुक, देयर आर द लॉट्स ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. प्लीज डोंट मेक सो मच नॉइज. ओके, आई एम वर्किंग. इट मीन्स समवन इज वर्किंग एंड दैट पर्सन told to the another person, don't make so much noise. Okay, I am working. It means not I work, मतलब वो काम नहीं करता है, वो काम अभी कर रहा है. Okay, he started the work but he haven't finished it, so that's why he is telling I am working, don't make so much noise. Look, where is Margaret? She is having a bath. It means right now she is in the bathroom and she is having a bath. So action is continuous. Okay, continue. Not, you can't say she has a bath. It means if you say she has a bath, it means this is the habit, okay, not a continuous. Okay, let go out now. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. इट इजंट रैनिंग एनी मोर. अभी आखिर बारिश नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो इट डजंट रैन. अभी बारिश, यू कांट से इट डजंट रैन. इट मीन्स अभी बारिश नहीं होता है. यू कांट से. ओके, यू कैन से इट इजंट रैनिंग एनी मोर. सो लेट्स गो आउट नाउ. हेलो जने, आर यू इंजॉइंग द पार्टी. आप क्या पार्टी इंजॉय कर रहे हो. इट मीन्स पार्टी हैज़ बिन स्टार्टेड एंड ही इज इंजॉइंग द party. So someone is asking him, are you enjoying the party, then he can say yes, I am enjoying. Okay, but because the party hasn't ended now, so that's why you can make it in present continuous tense. So whatever, if action has been started and but he haven't finished it, okay, so that time you can use it in present continuous tense. I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. It means वो थका हुआ है. अब बोल रहा है I'm going to bed now. Good night. So right now this action is going on. Okay, right now I'm teaching you. So this action is right now continue. So I'm speaking in present continuous tense. Because I have started to teaching you but I haven't completed it, so that's why I can say I'm teaching you. Okay, but the action is not necessary happening at the time of the speaking. For example, कुछ action होता है कि जो उसी समय नहीं होता है. Like Tom and Anna is talking in cafe. वो बात कर रही हैं. ठीक है, टॉम बोलता है. टॉम सेज, ओके, टॉम है, दिस इज टॉम, दिस इज एन. ओके, ही इज सेइंग आई एम रीडिंग एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक एट द टाइम. अभी मैं इंटरेस्टिंग बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ. इट मीन्स राइट नाउ ही इज नॉट रीडिंग. ओके, ही स्टार्टेड द रीडिंग बट राइट नाउ he is not reading. That's why he is right now in another place and he is talking to the girl and he is saying I am reading an interesting book. Right now he is not reading. Okay, reading. And I will lend it to you when I have finished it. I have. Okay, it means I have. There is I will. Okay, I will. ओके, लेंड मीन्स उधार देना. मैं तुम्हें उधार दूंगा जब मैं इसे फिनिश कर दूंगा. सो यू कांट, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, हैपनिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. बिकॉज राइट नाउ ये अभी बुक नहीं पढ़ रहा है, अभी ये बात कर रहा है कोई लड़की से. अब टॉम इज not reading the book at the time of speaking. It means that he has started it but not finished it yet. Okay, अभी से finish नहीं किया है. He is in the middle of the reading. वो अभी क्या है, अभी reading मतलब जो पढ़ा है, मतलब आधा पढ़ा है आधा बाकी है. After reading, okay, he will give to the book to that girl. Okay, some more example you can say. Like Catherine wants to work in Italy, so she is learning Italian. कैथरीन, ओके, क्या काम करना चाहती है इटाली में, बट इसलिए शी इज़ लर्निंग इटालियन, इसलिए वो इटालियन सीख रही है. बट परहैप्स she isn't learning Italian exactly at the time of speaking. Look, यहाँ पे time of the speaking जब वो बोल रही है उस समय नहीं सीख रही है, बट वो सीख रही है. she is learning, only she is learning, but not she is learning at the time of speaking. सम फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन आर बिल्डिंग देयर ओन हाउस। वो अपना कुछ मेरे दोस्त हैं, वो क्या अपना घर बना रहे हैं। दे होप आई विल बी फिनिश बिफोर नेक्स्ट समर। उनको लगता है कि वो इट विल बी फिनिश, वो फिनिश हो जाएगा इस नेक्स्ट समर के पहले फिनिश हो जाएगा। ओके, सो here it is used the present continuous tense because some friends of mine are building their own house. Second use, we use the present continuous tense, okay, when we talk about things happening in a period around now. It means today, okay, and this week and this evening. It means you can also used in future. Present continuous tense is also used for future, like if you plan for anything, okay, and it will be happen in future, but after planned, if you are speaking, that time you can say it in present continuous tense, like I have purchased, I have purchased a ticket, okay, and I have right now I have a ticket because I have planned for it, and right now I am saying I am going, I am going to America tomorrow, because इट मीन्स मैं कल अमेरिका जाऊंगा। ओके, क्योंकि ये कब जाऊंगा, फ्यूचर में जाऊंगा। इसका प्लान कब किया था, पहले किया था, तो उस समय आप क्या बोल सकते हो, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बोल सकते हो मैं अमेरिका जाऊंगा। ओके, फॉर सो हियर यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड टुडे। क्या तुम आज कड़ी मेहनत करोगे। यस आई हैव लॉट्स टू डू। इसलिए यह मेरे 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 पास बहुत चीज़ करने के लिए है। इट मीन्स नॉट यू वर्क हार्ड टुडे, मतलब वो वर्क हार्ड डेली आज वर्क नहीं करता, वो करेगा। ओके, उसके पास बहुत सारे काम है करने के लिए, इसलिए बहुत वो कड़ी मेहनत कर सकता है। इज सुसन वर्किंग दिस वीक। क्या सुसन इस वीक काम करेगी। नो सी इज़ ऑन हॉलीडे। इसलिए वो कहाँ है, हॉलीडे पे, मतलब छुट्टी पे है। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो थिंक इट इन फ्यूचर, बट यू हैव टू check the condition, you have to sure about it, because if you want to speak, make it in present continuous tense, the action has been planned for before, okay, in past, and the action will be happen in future. That time you can say in present continuous tense. Next, we use the present continuous tense when we talk about change happening around we. Okay, like we use the present continuous tense when we talk about changing happening around now. अभी कुछ भी हमारे चारों तरफ कोई भी अगर चेंजिंग हो रहा है, that time we can also use the present continuous tense. The population of the world is rising very fast. It means अभी जो वर्ल्ड का पॉपुलेशन है, जनसंख्या है, बहुत फास्ट राइजिंग ग्रो कर रहा है, मतलब बढ़ रहा है। ओके, राइजिंग हो रहा है। ओके, इज योर इंग्लिश गेटिंग बेटर। इट मीन्स डे बाय डे, इट मीन्स if you are saying to anyone